There are currently more than 19.3 million nurses in the world. That's more than the population of Denmark, Honduras, and New Zealand combined. In America alone, there are 5.5 million nursing professionals, caring for over 8 million patients in need each day. In places like hospitals, doctors' offices, schools, and a whole lot more. But even with the large quantity of nurses, the quality of the profession remains at an all-time high. After all, not just anyone can be a nurse. It takes an individual with strength and endurance. In fact, the average nurse lifts around 1.8 tons a day, about the size of an Asian elephant. 4 miles, the average distance a nurse walks every day on the job. That's 28,288 miles traveled over their career, more than enough to make a complete trip around the world. Want to walk just a mile in their shoes? You'd better be a good multitasker. But becoming an expert in nursing doesn't happen overnight. It takes lots of education, and the hard work doesn't end there. On average, a nurse cares for 6 to 9 patients during a single shift. That many patients requires a lot of patience, not to mention a lot of quick thinking, critical thinking, and not thinking about how full their bladders are. In all, nurses put in over 11 billion hours of work each year. And during that time, they not only encounter more urine, vomit, and finger painting than the average preschool teacher, they also face more injuries than construction workers and more assaults than police officers and prison guards. But those hardships are not in vain. Nurses not only extend the quality of our lives, nurses save lives. Throughout their lifetime, the average nurse will help save more than 90 patients. In fact, for every 10% increase in nurses, there is a 4% decrease in risk of death. Nurses also save our sanity during the best of times and the worst of times, constantly bestowing compassion, knowledge, and kindness, doing what no one else will do, in a way that nobody else can do it. Yes, nurses do so much. The least we can do is tell them how much they mean to us. And with 19.3 million of them out there, it shouldn't be hard to find one.